Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Bethune DB28 kind of blue. The watch comes courtesy of my good friend who goes by Watch Out Singapore on Instagram. Before we start, just note that I've not included the papers to keep the details confidential. Overall, the DB28 is a stunning watch sporting an intense gradient blue with purple hues. However, the box is pretty disappointing, especially considering that the watch retails for around 170,000 Sing dollars. The certificate is a similar letdown, as it's just a small piece of paper. Ultimately, brands like MB&F and Urwerk do much better boxes. While some may argue that the box is unimportant, I think it does add a lot to the ownership experience of a watch. After all, it's the first thing the customer usually sees. For such a hefty price, they deserve better. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and following me on Instagram. The support really does mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching.